Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and we are at the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge here in India, which has been just launched, and the prices are revealed at 48,900 for the S7, and the Edge variant comes at 56,900. This is a quick hands-on and first impressions video, and this is not our full review. It's coming very soon. Here are what our first impressions are. Let's get started. The S7 and S7 Edge both are water and dust resistant phones. That's the biggest USP that I find compared to the previous generation devices, and they resemble S6 and S6 Edge very largely, but there are some differences as well. They both use glass and metal design just like the previous generation, but this time you get different size variants. The S7 comes with a 5.1-inch display, whereas the S7 Edge comes with a larger 5.5-inch Super AMOLED displays. The display resolution, however, remains the same. They are both dual SIM devices. If you look at the devices closely on design front, on the right hand side you would find power or wake up key on the right. On top you would find SIM card tray, which is a hybrid SIM card tray. So SIM 1 is a nano SIM and SIM 2 can be either a nano SIM or a micro SD card. Whether you want to expand the memory or use it as dual SIM is your choice, but you can't do both. It comes with volume keys on the left hand side, and on bottom you would find the speaker grill, charging port and primary microphone hole. All the ports are concealed from inside, and the phones are water as well as dust resistant on all the ports without any flaps or anything. They both sport a fingerprint scanner below the display, and there are two touch capacitive buttons, one on the either side. The display is Super AMOLED and Quad HD, and the display quality is top notch just like the previous generation. Curve on both the sides on the S7 Edge, while there is a flat display on the S7. While on the back of the phone you would find a curve towards the end of the sides on both the phones, S7 as well as S7 Edge. The front edge display on the S7 Edge gets extra functionality, and it's very feature rich this time. You can have a lot of shortcuts as well as some configurations that you can do to the side edge to improve the functionality. Talking of cameras, there is a lesser megapixel camera compared to previous generation, but the pixel size has been improved, and there is dual pixel focus technology which also helps in taking better pictures. There is f-stop 1.7 aperture which helps take better pictures in low light, and this is a shot that we took with the S7 and the iPhone 6s, and you can see the side-by-side performance of these two phones. The S7 really shines at low light photography. Both cameras on S7 as well as S7 Edge support 4K video recording. They create good quality shots from both rear as well as front facing 5 megapixel camera. The front camera is not much different from the previous generation, but it also does a good job on both the phones. They both run Exynos octa-core processor by Samsung, which is a 64-bit processor coupled with 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal memory, which can be expanded by further adding up to 200 gigs of micro SD card. That's a lot, but mind it that you can either put a second SIM or a micro SD card, so there is a slight limitation there. Both come with features like fast charging, wireless fast charging, heart rate sensor, NFC, gyroscope sensor, Hall sensor and whatnot. They're fully loaded. In terms of battery department, the S7 comes with a smaller 3000, whereas the S7 Edge, which is larger in size, comes with a massive 3600 mAh battery. Also, Samsung has thrown in some special offers for India with Vodafone double data offer for 6 months, Samsung Concierge services which provides you extra set of premium services for the customers buying these phones. Our first impressions about these phones are fairly positive, and we are looking forward to testing them in detail. So our reviews are coming very soon. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button to watch our full review videos. This is just a first quick impression video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below. Do let us know your suggestions and comments about these phones in the comment section. This is all we have on this one. We hope to see you on my next video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.